everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. To merge, click and drag to highlight the range of cells you want to merge. For this example, let's highlight cells A1 to D2. A shortcut is present at the tab menu. Look for the Merge Cells icon, the one that looks like a rectangle with two arrows on the side pointing inward. You can select the merge type you want when you click the drop-down beside the Merge Cells icon. You'll see four options. Merge All combines all selected cells into one cell. This is the default function that will occur if you click the icon directly. Merge vertically merges cells in a column. Merge horizontally merges cells in a row. Unmerge brings back merged cells into its unmerged status. For this example, let's click Merge All. The selected cells now become one single cell. Alternatively, you can also go to the top menu, click Format and then choose Merge Cells. The drop-down will also present the same set of merge types. So, that is how you merge cells in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.